Hey friends, what's up? Welcome to my channel. I am Tanya. Hope you have liked all my previous videos, and today I am here again with a review of another skincare product which is from the brand Simple. Let me first tell you that Simple is the number one UK brand. So this is the product that I have bought from the brand Simple. I have purchased this one from the Nykaa online store. Link is below in my description box so that you can easily check it out. So first come about its quantity, its price and the packaging of the product. This product has cost me 325 and it contains 150 ml and it comes in this kind of cream colored tube with this kind of opening on the top, as you can see. This face wash is mainly for the sensitive skin type people. Those who are having the problem of sensitive skin, you can easily go for this face wash. Simple is well known for its product that are good for the sensitive skin. It has been written here, sensitive skin experts, you can see. So let's come about the benefits of using this face wash and why this is specially good for the sensitive skin type people. First thing is that this face wash does not contain any kind of granule-like particles or any kind of particles that cause irritation or a harshness to the sensitive skin people. It is free from any kind of granules and it is very much light-weighted with a gel-type consistency. This face wash does not contain any kind of artificial color, any artificial fragrance or any kind of harsh chemicals that upset the sensitive skin. This face wash contains provitamin B5 and vitamin E. It has the goodness of vitamins and also the mildness, so is that it can calm down the sensitive skin, because those who are having the sensitive skin, they know very well that sensitive skin has the problem of irritation, inflammation, redness, itchiness, acne, pigmentations and many more, and this face wash helps to combat with all the problems of sensitive skin. Actually my mom has the problem of sensitive skin. I don't have sensitive skin and I have purchased this one for my mom, and she has been using this one for the past 2 weeks and she has told me that she has got a very much better result by using this. Her skin has become very much refreshing and very much beautiful and very much has calmed down her skin has become by using this. She has told me that after the first day of using this, she can feel the difference into her skin. This is mainly for the sensitive skin type people, but it also goes for all kind of skin. Since it goes for all kind of skin, that's why I have used this face wash twice, and I have also feel the same thing, like the refreshing feeling into my skin. You can see that it has been written here that what are the things that they have put in this face wash and how you have to use this one. All the detailed information are written here, and if you can and if you check the pack very carefully, here it is written that this face wash is made in Poland. That is, it is totally a foreign brand, and Simple is a well-known brand for the sensitive skin. So this face wash and also helps to remove the dirt particles from the skin. It has no soap and does not cause any kind of harmful effect to your skin, and it is totally free from any kind of toxins and any kind of harsh chemicals. This is a very good product, I can say, and it is a kind of very large tube, and you can, if you can see that how much the product has ended. My mom is loving this product very much. But one thing I need to tell you is that you just need a very little amount of this product. Just 1 or 2 drops is enough for your whole face to clean up your face. And one thing that I don't like about this one, which I don't like, is that you need a little bit of more water to wash off your face while you are using this one, because it's kind of very sticky, and if you take a large amount or more amount of product and apply it onto your skin, it will feel very much sticky, and you need more and more water to wash off your face, because it doesn't wants to get out of your face if you use a very large amount of quantity. So this is very good, and if you want to ask me the rating of this product, and according to me and according to my mom, we would love to give 4.7 rating to this one, because all the products, all the things of this face wash is very good. Apart from that, that it you need a little bit of more water to wash off your face while you are using this. So those who are having the problem of sensitive skin can definitely go for this kind of face wash, because it will cause no harmful effects onto your skin or no damage. It will cause no damage to your skin. It's a very good product for the people those who are having the problem of sensitive skin. So this is all about my today's video about the review of this face wash from the Simple brand. Hope you guys like my videos very much. Please don't forget to like, share and subscribe my channel, and also press the bell icon so that you can get the notification of my new video whenever I put it in my channel. And also comment down in the comment section that if you are having the problem of sensitive skin, what face wash you use for yourself, and if you are using this one, this is Simple refreshing facial wash, then also let me know what are the benefits you are getting from this one. So friends, see you in my next video. Till then, stay tuned, stay safe.